Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really fun layered card for you. This is my Thanksgiving layered card. How colorful is that? All the different fall colors, that turkey there at the top, and the fun happy Thanksgiving sentiment in the center. There's a spot on the inside for your message, and of course I include an envelope as well. This card is really simple to put together and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the SVG Cut File. Here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account on my website, you can head to the sign up button. You'll be brought to a page with all the different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. You can select which option is right for you. For now, I'm going to go ahead and sign in. I'll log in my credentials, and now I'm logged into my account. To access the file libraries, you can head to the Files tab here on the main navigation bar. This is a free project, so free, basic, and premium members can all access this cut file. Those with free memberships can go to the free files page and select it there. Those with basic and premium memberships can go to the file library. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 423. That is the Thanksgiving layered card. Go ahead and download the file to your computer. Make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open, and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can go ahead and ungroup the design. We have some converting that we need to do to some of the score lines, so let's scroll down the Layers panel and find the envelope. Highlight the score lines, change those to score, highlight the group, and attach. We need to do the same thing to the card base. Highlight the score line, change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. Once those two pieces have been converted, we can go ahead and click Make It. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'm going to be using medium cardstock for this card. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that we're going to do is go ahead and layer up the front cover panel. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help visualize how to put all these pieces together, but we're going to start with that green, then the maroon color, yellow, orange, burnt orange, and then red. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video just a little bit while I get this put together. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm done. And there is our front cover panel. How colorful is that? I'm going to set that to the side. Let's grab our mat and our cover panel for the messaging panel. We can go ahead and layer that together. Now let's take our card base, fold and burnish along the score line. Open up the card base and attach the messaging panel to the inside of the card. Close up that card base and attach the front cover panel to the front. And there is our card all set. I'll set that to the side. Let's go ahead and grab the envelope. We're going to fold and burnish along the score lines of the envelope. Grab the inlay panel and add glue along the outer edge. Flip that inlay over and place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around. You can go ahead and add the card to the inside of the envelope because there are some good layers there, so I might add some thickness. Add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our envelope. And our Thanksgiving layered card is all set. So cute. Wasn't this so fun to make? Perfect for this time of year. I could totally see everyone bringing this to their host or their hostess for Thanksgiving dinner this year. I hope that you like it. If you make this card, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye.